Hello, today is Friday, March the 19th, 2021. And my background image for all the online stuff on Zoom and meetings and so on has been this image from the surface of Mars. It's from the new Mars rover Perseverance. I'm a big fan of Mars exploration. And so I picked that image at Jezero Crater, and I think it's really cool. But anyway, the big news is that my trading account has finally gone online today. I got a message from Interactive Investor, the company that I decided to have my trading account with, and they gave me my login details. So let's explore that platform together now. Okay, so that's the homepage of II. Let's just click on login and see if this works. Okay, then they want my username, which is just some numbers. I got those here. Okay. And then I need my password, I suppose. So I typed in my password as well, log in. Okay, and here we are. This is my portfolio overview page. So there's one account, and here are my £500 that I paid into this account when I set it up. So I'm currently invested 100% in cash. Pretty spectacular. And I assume this is where all of my shares and assets are going to show up. Let's see, here we have portfolio overview, investments, cash balance, and transaction history. Okay, trading. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see what happens if I click on trade now. Okay, so I can just type in the name of a company and see if I want to buy them. Let's try this out maybe. Let's try a bank like HSBC. All right, okay. What happens if I click on one of those? I guess I could now buy it. But so that's UK shares and ETFs, funds, and then international. Oh, to trade and get quotes for non-UK stocks, I need to sign the exchange agreements. Well, okay, because I actually am much more interested in the international stuff than the UK equities. So let's see what happens if I can just sign these agreements easily. Okay, so the international stock markets require me to agree to their terms and services. And Interactive Investor has put all of these agreements into one amalgamated exchange agreement, which is kind of cool. Let's see how that looks. Amalgamated exchange agreements. Please read through the terms. Well, oh my God, these agreements are so long and so much fine print. Do you use market data solely for your personal non-business use? Yes. Do you receive market data for your business or any other entity? No. It's going to take a while. Receiving office space and equipment or other benefits in exchange for your trading or work as financial consultant to any person, firm, or business entity? No. No to all of the above. All right, so this is the section where I need to sign. Do you qualify as a non-professional as defined in paragraph 1? I'm definitely a non-professional, so yes. And then I give my name and my signature. I'll just write down my name again and the date. Okay, I agree to abide by all the terms of the agreement stated above, even though I have to admit I did not read everything. I agree. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, it works. You have successfully signed the exchange agreement form. Real-time pricing data for all our available online markets are now active. Okay, so let's go to international and just look, I guess, for US share. What's a company everybody's talking about? I don't know, Tesla? Do you find Tesla? Oh yeah, here it is. Tesla. Again, nice quote. And then I guess now I could buy or sell that share. Very interesting. And then bonds and warrants. All right, okay. Seems simple enough. So under trading, that's where I can buy my securities. Cash and transfer, that's apparently where I can add cash to my account or withdraw cash. And then we have research. That's interesting. Find an investment. So I got to do a lot of research before I actually make my first trade. Shares, funds, investment trusts, and IPOs. Oh, that's interesting. 3 IPOs. So does it mean I could actually invest in a company before it goes public? I don't know. Current IPOs. The Renewables Infrastructure Group Limited. Okay, so, all right, so that's very interesting. I think what this means is that I could actually participate in a company going public. And they say you need to read the prospectus and get all the information, and then maybe you can subscribe or invest, apparently at least £1,000. So I don't think I'll be participating in any IPOs anytime soon, but it is very nice that I have that this opportunity. Model portfolios. Okay, let's see what other people are doing. Maybe I look at that in some more detail later. Certainly another nice feature. And then we have SIPP. I think that's some sort of a pension fund. I did not open an SIPP account. And then newsfeed. What's this? There was a problem handling your request. So, okay. Maybe this will work later. Maybe I need to set it up. Here it says portfolio mentions. So maybe it will give me news about the stocks that I actually own. I don't know. But it's certainly nice to have a news feed in here as well. So it looks very orderly, looks very clean. I think I sort of understand it. This is where I go back to the overview. So all in all, I'm quite happy with this. It looks good. I think I understand it. I think I will need some time to see all the different functions of this page and then use them competently. But so far, so good. This looks very nice. All right, so I'm just going to log out again. Thank you for visiting. You have been safely logged out. Perfect. Okay, so that was my first glimpse into my new trading platform. Of course, it'll take me some time to get used to it and make good use of it. But my first impression is very positive. I really like this. It looks neat. I understand it. It looks sort of stylish too. All the functions are very clear. And I feel, positive and confident about it. Based on my first impression, I would probably give the site, I don't know, 4.5 out of 5 stars or something like this. A good rating anyway. And I'm looking forward to using that platform and making my first trade. I've actually been following, the talking heads on CNBC and some Bloomberg all week, and I'm really eager and excited to make my first trade. But I have to think about what I want to do first, got to do some research. And then in my next vlog, I'm going to talk about which company I ended up buying.